Hello, my name is Egemen. I am a student from TED University, Turkey. I am recording this video to introduce myself. Firstly, I am a really social person. My favorite hobby is hanging out with my friends. Also, I really like swimming and reading the books. Both of them makes me happy. The thing I am really excited about for the work and travel program is experiencing the American culture firsthand. I have seen in movies, but living there is different. Here are three things I want my host employer to know about me. First, I am very adaptable and easygoing person. I can easily fit into new environments. Second, I am responsible. If I have a task, I get it done properly and on time. Thirdly, I am a fast learner. If you show me anything, I will understand it easily and I will do it. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon. Bye.